Everyone thinks CPUs are boring infrastructure, but the truth is, the chip NVIDIA just hand-delivered to OpenAI, Anthropic, and SpaceX AI could be the most important piece of silicon in the history of artificial intelligence. A new era of agentic AI just got its engine, and the world is only beginning to understand what that means. Here's everything you need to know. For years, the conversation around AI hardware has been dominated by GPUs. NVIDIA's H100s, its A100s, its Blackwell chips. These are the cards that trained ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and every other large language model you've heard of. But training a model and running an intelligent AI agent are two very different problems. Agents need to think, plan, and take actions continuously, and that requires a different kind of chip entirely. That chip is called the Vera CPU. NVIDIA's Vice President of Hyperscale and High-Performance Computing, Ian Buck, personally hand-delivered the very first standalone Vera CPU systems to some of the most powerful AI organizations on the planet, Anthropic, OpenAI, and SpaceX AI among them. This wasn't a shipment dropped off at a loading dock. This was a deliberate, high-profile moment. NVIDIA wanted the world to know that the Vera CPU has arrived and that the companies shaping the future of AI are the very first to receive it. So what exactly is the Vera CPU and why does it matter? The Vera CPU is NVIDIA's first in-house designed central processing unit built specifically for agentic AI workloads. Unlike traditional CPUs that handle general computing tasks or GPUs that excel at massively parallel mathematical operations, the Vera CPU is purpose-built for the coordination, memory management, and decision-making demands of AI agents. These are systems that don't just answer questions. They autonomously browse the web, write code, manage files, and execute multi-step tasks without human intervention at every step. The recipients of these first systems tell us everything about the strategic importance of this launch. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, is one of the most research-focused AI safety labs in the world. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT and GPT-4, needs no introduction. SpaceX AI represents the intersection of frontier AI and aerospace ambition. These are not random customers. These are the organizations on the absolute cutting edge of what AI can do, and NVIDIA chose them to be the first to run on Vera. The implications of this delivery go far beyond a product launch. By designing its own CPU, NVIDIA is signaling that it no longer wants to be just a GPU company. It wants to own the entire compute stack for AI, from the chips that train models to the processors that run agents in the real world. This is a direct challenge to Intel and AMD in the data center CPU market, a market worth hundreds of billions of dollars annually. If Vera performs as promised, NVIDIA could become the dominant force in AI silicon across every layer of the infrastructure. For the companies receiving these systems, the Vera CPU could dramatically accelerate the development of autonomous AI agents. If agents can run faster, more efficiently, and at lower cost, the timeline for real-world deployment of AI systems that can do meaningful work compresses significantly. We may be much closer to AI systems that can operate independently in enterprise environments than most analysts currently project. What to watch next is straightforward but critical. Pay close attention to benchmark data and performance reports from Anthropic, OpenAI, and SpaceX AI as they integrate Vera into their infrastructure. Watch for NVIDIA's announcements about broader commercial availability of the Vera CPU. And watch the reaction from Intel and AMD, because if Vera gains traction, the competitive response from the legacy CPU giants will reshape the entire data center market. The bottom line is this. NVIDIA just quietly handed the keys of the agentic AI era to the world's most powerful AI companies. The GPU revolution changed what AI could learn. The Vera CPU revolution may change what AI can do. And if you want to understand where technology is headed next, You need to watch this chip very closely. If you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe to Newruz for daily AI news that actually matters, and hit the like button to help more people find this channel.